Jai Srimannarayana. 10th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Utkramantam sthitam vapi bhunjanam va gunanvitam vimodha nanupasyanti pasyanti ज्ञानचक्षुषः Om. You have to understand that you are different from your body in all conditions. You are staying in your body. You are experiencing things through your body. At some point you will leave your body. You are the personification of Jnanam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall always remember that I am different from my body in all conditions. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasamyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam Gajendra Mokshanam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Gajendra praying Paramatma like this. Jiji Vishe Naham Iha Amuya Kim Antarbahischa Avrutaya Ibhayonya Ichhami Kalena Nayasya Viplavaha Tasya Atmaloka Avaranasya Moksham. जिजीविषेनाहमिहामुया किम् अन्तर्बहिश्च आवृतये भयोऽन्या इच्छामि कालेन न यस्य विप्लवः तस्यात्मलोकावरणस्य मोक्षम्. ಓಂ Bhagavan, I do not want to be alive anymore even after being relieved from this crocodile. I am not willing to be relieved just from this crocodile, but I am not willing to be alive in this body also, in this elephant body also, because this body internally and externally it is attached with, it is tainted with so many attachments and egoistic feelings. That is why I am not willing to be relieved from just this crocodile, but I want to be relieved from this body. Not only that, I want to be relieved from the bondage, karma bondage, which masks the jnanam, wisdom. I want to be relieved from the karma bandham also. And I would like to be not born at all, not take any body at all. That is what I am praying for. Like that Gajendra praying Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 15th chapter 10th श्लोका. उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढा नानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः. उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढा नानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.